What's up, everybody? Today we're going to learn Kelsea Ballerini's song, Better Luck Next Time. I'm going to break down that riff note by note, and then I'll break down the chords. There's only 4 of them. You'll be in standard tuning, and you'll need a capo for the first fret. My name's Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please do me a favor if you like this video and you want some more exclusive stuff, head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter. I'll give you a free lesson once a month, and then follow the links in the description and like us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started. Okay, so let's break down this main riff. I'll have a capo at the first fret, so when we go to the open chords section, it won't be a problem, and we may want to switch there throughout the song anyways, even with the riff. But when I'm explaining the notes individually, I'm going to assume the capo isn't there. So when I'm talking about 4th fret, it's going to be as if the actual 4th fret, as if the capo isn't there. So here we go. We're going to put our index at the 4th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 6th fret, 4th string, and our pinky at the 6th fret, 2nd string. And I'm going to pluck just those 3 strings individually. So I'm going to go thumb on the 5th, index on the 4th, and my middle or 3rd finger on the 2nd string. So you're going to go just like that. All right? All right, so that's the first bit. Thumb, index, ring, or middle. And then I kind of come back down. And then we go to the next chord shape. So we're going to move our index up to the 4th fret, 6th string. Our 3rd finger stays on the 6th fret, 4th string. And our middle finger goes to the 5th fret, 3rd string. Wow, tongue twister. And we just pluck those with our thumb, index, and middle. So it's, and then we move up, and we just pluck the ones we're touching. All right, and then we go up to the 6th fret, 5th string with our index. Our 3rd finger plays the 8th fret, 4th string, and our pinky plays the 8th fret, 2nd string, and we do that same plucking that we did on the first shape. Just like that. So thumb, index, ring, or middle, whichever is more comfortable. And then we shift up the neck, up being this way, right? So to the 8th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger on the 10th fret, 4th string, and our middle finger on the 9th fret, 2nd string. And we pluck those. So it's individual note, chord, individual note, chord. All right? So again, that last one was the 8th fret, 5th string, 10th fret, 4th string, and then the 9th fret, 2nd string. All right? So main riff. All right? It happens like that almost the entire way through the song. There's a couple times, and I'll tell you where it is, where it stops on chord shape 3. All right? So the main riff happens once at the intro, and then it happens 4 times in the first part of the verse, and as she gets to the 4th time, it doesn't go all the way up to that last shape. It just stops. It goes. And then it starts all over again. So when you do that, you do the main riff, and then you slide from that 3rd fret, 5th string, up to the 6th fret. That was the 4th fret, 5th string. You slide up to the 6th fret, 5th string, and then you pluck the 8th fret, 2nd string. So it's just like that. It's a little slide from the 4th fret up to the 6th fret, and then you pluck with your pinky 8th fret, 2nd string. And then that whole riff starts again, and then it does the same pause as it sends you off into the chorus. And the chorus is the literal exact same thing. So you've got the verse bit. The only tricky part on that verse bit is this. Just like that. Now, every once in a while when they're doing the verse and they come up to the 4th chord shape, they do a hammer on. So let's break that down just because I think it's a good challenge and we got to get used to using our pinky as well. So it would be... So what you're going to do is your middle finger is on that 9th fret, 2nd string, and then you're going to hammer on your pinky onto the 11th fret, 2nd string. It hammers on, you pluck once on that 9th fret, you hammer on, and then you pull off. So you're literally only plucking once, and you do a hammer, pull off. It's a little hard with the pinky, but it's a good challenge for some of you guys out there, and I think you should try it. So that would be like, oh, sorry, it'd be, so the whole thing. a couple ad-lib things in there. We're going to leave them out for now. So when we go to the full chords and the strumming pattern, it'll be a C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor. All right? Literally the entire song. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. A couple things you can do to kind of fancy it up. You can either do the full C or the C add 9, whichever one you're more comfortable with. But I'm going to do the full C. So C, up, down, G, up, down, down, D, up, down, E minor. But instead of the regular E minor, we want to do the E minor 7th, which is your regular E minor with your third finger at the 3rd fret, 2nd string. All right? So you've got a C, a G, a D minor, and an E minor 7th throughout the entire song. And here's that pattern again. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. If that gets to be too easy, you can do it like this. You can add an extra down, up at the end. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right, really slowly, one time. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's the whole song.